Welcome to today's video, Discover the Unseen Secrets of the Universe with Meditation. Imagine a key, not just any key, but, one crafted from stillness, forged right in the heart of your being. This key, often overlooked, actually holds the power to unlock a reality beyond our everyday perception. It's, the key to the universe's secrets, and it lies dormant within each of us. This key is meditation. Meditation is more than just relaxation. It's a journey of self-discovery, a pilgrimage into the depths of consciousness. It is a path that leads us beyond the confines of the ordinary and into the extraordinary realm of universal truths. Many perceive meditation as a mere tool for stress reduction, a momentary escape from, the clamor of daily life. While relaxation is a welcome benefit, it is but a stepping stone on a much grander journey. Meditation, at its core, is about connecting with something far greater than ourselves. It is about venturing beyond the surface of our thoughts, diving deep into the ocean of pure awareness. In this vast expanse, we begin to glimpse the interconnectedness of all things, the intricate web of life that binds us together. The path of meditation is often shrouded in misconception, deterring many from taking their first steps. Some believe it is an exclusive practice reserved for monks and mystics, an arduous endeavor attainable only after years of disciplined study. This is simply not true. Meditation is for everyone, regardless of background, belief, or lifestyle. It is not about achieving instant enlightenment or silencing the mind entirely. It is about cultivating a sense of presence, of observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment. There is no right or wrong way to meditate. The key is to find a practice that resonates with you and embark on the journey. There are countless paths leading to the summit of a mountain, each one unique, winding through forests, over rocky ridges, and across open meadows. Some are steep and challenging, while others are gentle and meandering, but all eventually lead to the same breathtaking view at the top. In much the same way, the journey inward, toward stillness and self-awareness, offers a multitude of approaches, each suited to different personalities, needs, and moments in our lives. Just as no two mountain trails are exactly alike, there are numerous techniques for exploring the depths of our consciousness through meditation. Some people find peace in the quiet solitude of their own room, while others are drawn to the collective energy of group practice, whether indoors or surrounded by the beauty of nature. The diversity of meditation styles reflects the diversity of human experience itself. Breathwork, a cornerstone of many practices, involves focusing on the flow of our breath, noticing its natural rhythm as it enters and leaves the body. By simply observing the breath, we can calm the mind, soothe the nervous system, and create a sense of spaciousness within. This simple act of attention can be profoundly transformative, anchoring us in the here and now. Anchoring ourselves to the present moment through breath, we begin to notice the subtle sensations of stillness and peace that arise. The mind, often restless and scattered, gradually settles, allowing us to experience a deeper sense of clarity and presence. Visualization, another powerful technique, guides us to conjure images in our mind's eye, perhaps a tranquil forest, a gentle stream, or a warm, radiant light. These mental images can evoke feelings of safety, joy, and relaxation, helping us to access inner resources we may not even realize we possess. Through visualization, we can transport ourselves to serene landscapes or connect with symbols of peace and tranquility, even if only in our imagination. This practice can be especially helpful during times of stress, offering a mental sanctuary where we can rest and recharge. Movement meditation, such as walking mindfully through a garden or practicing the flowing motions of Tai Chi, unites mind and body in rhythmic motion. Each step or gesture becomes an opportunity to cultivate awareness, grounding us in the sensations of movement and the world around us. Sound can also be a powerful tool for meditation, inviting us to listen deeply and let go of mental chatter. The gentle resonance of Tibetan singing bowls, the soothing tones of chimes, or even the simple act of listening to the sounds of nature can draw us into a state of calm and receptivity. Whether it's the gentle resonance of Tibetan singing bowls, the soft hum of a bell, or the subtle sounds of our own breath, these vibrations can help quiet the mind and open the heart. The calming repetition of a mantra, spoken, whispered, or silently repeated, can also serve as a focal point, guiding our attention away from distractions and into a space of inner harmony. Each technique offers a unique gateway to inner stillness, inviting us to discover what resonates most deeply with our own nature. There is no single right way, only the way that feels true for you in this moment. Through these practices, we learn to explore the vast landscape of our inner world, uncovering layers of thought, emotion, and awareness that often go unnoticed in daily life. In this exploration, we may come to sense the universal energy that flows through us all, a quiet, steady presence that connects us to each other and to the world around us. The journey to inner stillness is both deeply personal and profoundly universal, offering peace, insight, and connection to all who walk its path. The practice of meditation is deeply interwoven with ancient wisdom traditions, serving as a bridge between the past and present. Across continents and centuries, seekers have turned inward, searching for answers to life's most profound questions. Meditation, in its many forms, has been a cornerstone of spiritual exploration, offering a pathway to self-understanding and inner peace. These traditions have long contemplated the nature of reality, the mind, and the self. Buddhism, for example, places a strong emphasis on interconnectedness and the impermanence of all things. Through meditation, practitioners learn to observe the ever-changing landscape of their thoughts and emotions, cultivating a sense of detachment and clarity. By mindfully observing the ebb and flow of our inner world, we begin to recognize the transient nature of our experiences. Just as a river flows and clouds drift by, so too do our thoughts and feelings arise and pass away. This realization can bring a profound sense of freedom, as we learn not to cling to what is fleeting. In the Indian philosophical tradition, Advaita Vedanta speaks of the oneness of all creation, a concept that resonates deeply with the meditative experience. Through stillness and contemplation, we are invited to look beyond the surface of things and sense the unity that underlies all existence. As we delve deeper into the quiet spaces within ourselves, the boundaries that seem to separate us from others begin to dissolve. The meditative journey becomes not just a personal quest, but a way to connect with the world around us on a fundamental level. In this state, we start to sense the artificiality of our perceived separateness. The distinctions between self and other, inner and outer, gradually fade, revealing a deeper truth about our place in the universe. Through meditation, we may catch a glimpse of the underlying unity that binds us to all of existence, a timeless insight that has inspired sages, philosophers, and seekers throughout history, and continues to illuminate the path for those who look within. While meditation offers a gradual and accessible path to exploring altered states of consciousness, other, more intense methods exist. Sensory deprivation tanks, for instance, plunge individuals into a world devoid of external stimuli, allowing for profound introspection and a heightened awareness of internal processes. Conversely, sensory overload techniques, often involving rhythmic sound and light patterns, induce trance-like states, offering glimpses into the fluidity of perception. While potent, these methods should be approached with caution and ideally under guidance, as they can be overwhelming for the uninitiated. The transformative power of meditation is not a mere concept confined to ancient texts. It is a living, breathing force that continues to shape lives in the modern world. Meditation is not just a spiritual ideal or a distant philosophy. It is a practical tool that people from all backgrounds are using to create real, lasting change in their lives. Its impact is visible in the stories of countless individuals, both from centuries past and in our own communities today. From ancient sages to contemporary teachers, and from everyday people to renowned figures, meditation has been a guiding light, helping people navigate the complexities of life with greater clarity and resilience. Tibetan monks, for instance, dedicate their lives to meditation, achieving states of profound peace and compassion that radiate outwards, influencing the world around them. Their commitment is legendary, and their ability to remain calm and centered in the face of adversity has inspired millions. Through years of disciplined practice, they demonstrate that inner transformation is possible, and that the benefits of meditation extend far beyond the individual. But the impact of meditation is not limited to the realm of the monastic. In fact, Some of the most remarkable transformations are happening in the lives of ordinary people, students, parents, professionals, and retirees who have embraced meditation as a way to cope with stress, improve focus, and foster emotional well-being. Countless individuals from all walks of life have found solace, healing, and profound insight through their practice. From managing chronic pain to overcoming addiction, from finding inner peace in the midst of chaos to building stronger relationships, meditation has become a source of strength and renewal. In hospitals, therapy rooms, and community centers, people are discovering that even a few minutes of mindful breathing can make a world of difference. For many, meditation is also a gateway to unlocking creative potential. Artists, musicians, writers, and performers often turn to meditation to quiet the mind and tap into deeper wells of inspiration. By cultivating presence and awareness, they find new ways to express themselves and connect with their audiences on a profound level. The stories of transformation are as diverse as the individuals themselves, a testament to the universality of this ancient practice, whether in a bustling city or a quiet village. Among young and old, meditation continues to empower people to live with greater purpose, compassion, and joy. The effects of meditation are often subtle, like gentle ripples spreading across a still pond. Unlike a sudden surge of adrenaline, the transformations unfold gradually, subtly altering our perception and experience of the world around us. With consistent practice, we may find ourselves responding to challenges with greater composure, experiencing moments of joy more fully, and cultivating a deeper sense of empathy for ourselves and others. These shifts may be incremental, but their cumulative effect is profound, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. At its heart, meditation is a journey of remembering our true nature. It is about peeling back the layers of conditioning, the societal narratives, and the limiting beliefs that cloud our perception, revealing the radiant truth that lies beneath. Through the lens of meditation, we begin to see the universe not as a collection of disparate objects, but as a unified field of energy, a cosmic dance of interconnectedness in which we all play a part. We begin to experience ourselves not as isolated individuals, but as integral threads in the grand tapestry of existence. The key to unlocking the universe's secrets lies within each of us, waiting to be discovered. Meditation is the path, the practice, the gentle yet persistent inquiry that leads us home to ourselves, to a place of profound peace, interconnectedness, and boundless potential. The journey begins with a single breath, a moment of stillness, a willingness to turn inward and explore the vast landscape of our inner world. So, take that first step, embrace the practice, and embark on your own unique journey of self-discovery. The universe awaits. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And thanks for watching.